here you can see Bitcoin hasn't swept this low and it pumped, and Ethereum swept this low and then the market pumped. So in today's lecture we will discuss how these divergences work. One pair sweeps the low and the other don't, and the market pumps. Hey everybody, YTG here. Today we're going to discuss another ICT trading strategy, and this one is going to be SMT trading strategy. But you cannot use this strategy alone. So we will use SMT trading strategy and order block trading strategy. By using these two together, we can get maximum profits, okay? So in SMT trading strategy, what we do is we compare two correlated or inversely related pairs, okay? Like you can see in this example, I'm comparing Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can compare Bitcoin with ES, or you can compare Bitcoin with gold or ES with gold. So Bitcoin and Ethereum is directly related, and if you compare Bitcoin with dollar, then these two pairs will be inversely related. So you can use any one you want. If you want to use directly related pairs, you can use that, and if you want to compare inversely related, you can use the two. In this example, I will be using these directly related pairs, okay? So what do I mean by SMT trading strategy? So let me shift to daily. Yesterday I gave a call of longing the Bitcoin, and in this video I will explain why I gave this call and how can you trade using this SMT trading strategy. So here you can see, we will draw a line here. You can see this was the low and Bitcoin swept this low here, okay? Bitcoin swept this low, and you can see that the same low was made here by Ethereum, okay? But you can see Ethereum still hasn't swept this level. So what we get is we get an SMT divergence, like you can see this one. This made a low, okay, and Ethereum still hasn't made a low. So this is the divergence you are talking about. This is called SMT divergence. One pair makes the low and the other still trades above the previous low. So on daily we got our SMT divergence. So right now the macro is bullish. So what we do, what is next? Then what we do is we shift to 4-hour time frames. Okay, like if you study a chart on daily, then for confirmation you have to choose the 4-hour chart. Okay, so now we are here on 4-hour. We will look for an order block, okay? Like we have already got the SMT divergence. Now if we get the 4-hour bullish order block, we can long here. So first I will show you what order block is. So suppose this is your support level. So if a candle closes below this support level and the next candle closes above that down closing candle, this is your order block, and then you can long after retest, okay? This is the structure you want to see on the 4-hour time frame, and here you can see we got this structure here. I will show you how. So you can see this was the support, okay, on 4-hour, and this candle, let me zoom in. This candle closed below this support line, and the next candle closed above that down closing candle, and after the retest we longed it, okay? And same is happening here. We got this down closing candle, then this up closing candle, and it retested this region, and now it went up. So what we did is first we saw a SMT divergence on the daily time frame. You can see this one, okay? Bitcoin swept this low, Ethereum hasn't. Then we shifted to 4-hour time frame, okay? For daily we use 4-hour chart. So you can see you got an order block here, a bullish order block, and when it retested this region we entered into our longs. So now what's the target? So you can target these highs, you can target all these swing highs, okay? First one target is this one. Also you can target these swing highs, okay? But for long term my target is this one. On daily I will show you. So for long term, my target is this one. When Bitcoin sweeps this highs and you get an SMT divergence, a bearish SMT divergence, then you can enter into your shorts towards these swing lows. Okay, so right now we got an SMT divergence which is bullish, and it's gonna come towards these levels. Okay, you're gonna go level to level, but I'm expecting 32.4k. This was all about order block and SMT trading strategy. Okay, I hope it's clear. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.